Good morning, everyone. It is day 3 for my Nutrisystem. Today I'm going to just lay out my food real quick and get ready for work. So I have a probiotic mixed shake that I'm going to make with strawberries, and that is going to be my snack 1 of the day. For breakfast with my coffee later, I've already had 1 cup, but I always like 2 cups in the morning. I'm going to have biscotti bites. That is about 150 calories on that bag there, and they look pretty scrumptious. I'll let you know how that is. Snack 2 will be my pretzels. This is something I like around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, just to give me that pick-me-up, and I'll probably have some green tea with that. For lunch, I'm taking white cheddar and mac cheese. It comes in a little container. You just open it up and pour water in it. That's about 220 calories. And for dinner, because I am usually at work for dinner, so I like to eat by the time I come home. If it's too late by the time I get home, I don't want to eat, and I don't really think anybody should be eating right before you go to bed. Anyway, this is a Italian sausage and pepperoni pizza. It's 260 calories, but with that, I put in 2 cups of I didn't get quite 2 cups in this jar of frozen broccoli. It'll thaw down. I'll just nuke it for about a minute. I always add my everyday seasoning to that. And I can't believe it's not butter. This is 0 calories. It's a spray butter. It's pretty darn good. I like putting that on it. So I will have my pizza with my broccoli and have my 4 waters, which I love. And I'll let you know how the food is. Okay, thank you and have a great day.